The Castle Pellet Stove Serenity 12327 delivers steady, comfortable heat using efficient wood pellets, making it a strong alternative to traditional space heaters. Its smart controller lets you choose between manual operation, thermostat control, or a weekly schedule, so the stove can follow your household routine without constant tweaking. Once your target temperature is reached, the stove automatically eases back to a low setting, which helps maintain a cozy room while conserving pellets. The compact, upright footprint and clean styling allow this freestanding unit to fit neatly against a wall and look at home in living rooms, cabins, or finished basements. A large viewing window showcases the flame, adding the feel of a small fireplace while still giving you the practicality of a modern pellet appliance. The interior layout is designed with smooth surfaces and minimal hidden passages, so routine cleaning and ash removal are straightforward for most owners.